Hello friends, welcome to this new video. Today we are going to start new topic of chapter 4 business services, and it is insurance service. In this video we will see the meaning of insurance and its functions and 7 principles of insurance. So let's start our topic insurance. Life is full of uncertainties and the chance of occurrence of events causing losses are quite uncertain. Like risk of death and disability for human life is there, fire and burglary risk for property is there, different type of risk is there in sending goods by ship, and many more are there. Some of these incidents create such a loss which is beyond the capacity to bear by the person. So, to minimize the impact of such uncertainty, there is a need for insurance. Remember, huge investment in industries are possible just because of insurance only, because it covers the associated risk in investment. In insurance, people facing same risk come together and make contributions to a common fund, which helps to spread the loss of an individual into number of persons facing same risk of loss. Let's understand this with the help of example. Suppose there are 50 ships at any one port, and every year one ship is sinking in sea. The cost of one ship is rupees 5 lakh. So if we divide the rupees 5 lakh into 50 persons, the amount is coming, that is 10,000. So if everybody will contribute rupees 10,000, then the person who will face the problem will get the amount collected from all the persons. Like this, insurance is working, and here risk is spread between 50 people. They all are facing same risk of loss. Insurance is a contract between insurer and insured. This contract in writing is called policy. Whose risk is insured is called insured. The firm which insures the risk is called insurer. In agreement, insured agreed to pay fixed amount, which is called premium. And on other hand, the insurer agreed to pay the amount of loss, damage or injury for insured item. This is fundamental principle of insurance. The basic principle of insurance is that by paying small amount, that is premium, a person can spread his risk of loss among large number of persons that are policyholders facing same risk. The collected premium is used to compensate person facing loss. By the past experience and events, the insurance company knows the losses caused by probable uncertain events. Remember, the risk of loss is still remain, but the loss is spread over large number of persons. The objective of insurance is to protect the insured against the uncertain events which may cause loss to him. Insurance is a social device in which an individual, that is insured, transfers risk to another party, that is insurer, in order to share his risk among large number of people facing same risk, that is the policyholders, and loss amount is paid out of funds collected, that is premium, from all members. Now let's see functions of insurance. First is insurance provides certainty of payment for the risk of loss by paying premium to insurer. Second is insurance gives protection from the loss by uncertain events. Remember, it cannot stop happening of risk or event, but can compensate for the losses arising out of it. Next is insurance shares the risk among large number of people facing same risk. The share is collected from every insured members by the way of premium. And the last is insurance is assisting in capital formation because premiums collected from insured are invested in various income generating schemes.